I've been recreating people's wedding bouquets in thread for a while now, several years, but the first time that I did it so hesitantly. Like I had already turned down multiple people asking me to do this because it just felt like way too much pressure and I didn't want to screw it up. But I had a husband reach out wanting me to do it for his wife for her anniversary, and I just thought that was really cute, so I really couldn't say no. And much to my surprise, it did turn out pretty cute for being my first attempt at recreating a wedding bouquet, and a lot of people really liked it and wanted theirs done, and so then I just kept doing them, and I've been doing them ever since. To me, there's something so satisfying about recreating a wedding bouquet because I've always been, honestly, a math and science girly. I would never have thought in a million years I would be an artist as of my career because math was my favorite subject in school and I was horrible at any other kind of art. But with embroidery, to me, it is very mathematical. I feel like I'm recreating the same shape and the same texture, and I don't know, it feels very like equation based almost. And I don't know how to explain it other than I feel like there is a formula that I'm following to recreate this bouquet. I make the patterns so that they're basically like a color by number, and then I'm just filling it in with the stitches that I feel like will give it the proper texture for what the bouquet would have looked like in real life. And there's just something so satisfying about that. I fully believe that the math and sciences and art are fully intertwined.